Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Tomorrowaday Farms. Today we're going to work on some shortbread cookies that I'm sending south, and I promised you guys I'd bring you guys along for that recipe. So we're going to move over to the mixer and we're going to get making real simple, easy shortbread cookies. Alright guys, so this is super simple. It's 4-ingredient shortbread cookies. I am going to use the stand mixer today. My hands are pretty sore today. And drop the paddle. Alright, so here I have 2 cups of butter. Now, my mom gave me this recipe many years ago. If you guys don't have butter, this recipe can be interchanged with the margarine, okay? Just so you know. And then in this bowl here, I have 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of icing sugar. And we're just going to blend this first before we add the flour and make a mess. I always make a mess with this recipe, every time. Talk about a blooper reel. Okay, so now that that's blended, I'm just going to give it another second here, some along the side here. And this recipe will also work for like a base to like a jam recipe or anything like that, so you can use it for that as well. Now, this is 2 cups of flour, and we're just going to add that in. And I'm going to slowly start it. And that's it. Really super simple. And you don't want to overmix it. And that's it. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to pause you, clean my tripod now because it's covered in icing sugar. And I'm going to move you over to the other counter and we're going to scoop out these cookies. Alright guys, so here's the batter, okay? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cookie scoop here and I'm just going to scoop it on. I'm going to move this, move you guys over. Guess we'll go this way, guys. Just want you guys to be able to see. And then we're just gonna pop some sprinkles on here. These will pan out a little bit, or spread out. I guess I should use that proper term. And then I'm just gonna put some sprinkles on top of some. And to ensure Diane gets a few, I'm going to put some cherries on one. It doesn't make a whole lot, but I find it makes just enough. And these are actually Kody's favorite cookies. This is what I make him for his birthday every year, are shortbread cookies. Because that's what he wants. And when he was little, he used to have to make shortbread cookies for Santa Claus. Because his birthday actually lands on Santa Claus. So. I'm just going to do this next row, guys. My oven is preheated to 300 degrees. They will bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until very lightly brown on the bottom. Okay. I'm just going to pat these down just a tad so the sprinkles don't all fall off. These are beautiful just the way they are. Or You can decorate them up however you want. You can, I do find this recipe is a little harder to roll out if you wanted to do like a cookie cutter. Just simple. You see how light and fluffy they are? Alright, now I just got some sprinkles here. And add some glazed cherries to some for Diane, because that's how she likes them. This is how Fred likes them. And that's it. So I will bring you guys back when I'm pulling them out of the oven. I'm going to get another tray ready and get them done. And I'm sure Kody will be out here to taste test them. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I'm pulling them out of the oven. Okay guys, here we go. 15 minutes and we have shortbread cookies. I'm going to show you guys the bottom. I did let them rest for a few seconds. Bottom is just nicely browned. And Kody was going to do a taste test for you guys. So, I'm just going to go get him. And he is going to come out and taste test these shortbread cookies for you. And then I'm going to get these cooling completely. Now I have to pack them up quickly because Kody will eat them all. That is for sure. Alright. Just going to pause you guys, go get Kody. And I'm going to get him to taste test them for you. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, Kody's going to taste test a shortbread cookie for you. I'm sure it's going to kill him.
Yep.
Oh! As he crams it all in his mouth. Thumbs up. They good? Mm-hmm. Now you got to stay out of them. They're Fred's.
I don't think he's going to get any.
Yeah, he is going to get any. Oh, sorry guys. Alright guys, here's all the cookies. I'm going to get these boxed up so Kody stays out of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this recipe. It's super simple. It's like the baking time is longer than putting everything together. So, you know, share the recipe. And if you guys happen to bake these, let me know how you guys enjoyed them. And thanks for hanging out with me today. And I will see you super, super soon. Bye. Thank you.